AI just wiped out the tons of easy ways people used to make money online, but it created bigger opportunities than ever if you know where to look. So in this video, I'm breaking down what kinds of work will get crushed in 2026, what will thrive, and how you position yourself so you're not stuck in the dead-end jobs that AI will eat alive. I left a six-figure tech job to buy back my Tuesdays, and they will tell you right now, this isn't about hustling harder, it's about playing smarter. So here's the truth, don't compete on raw output, compete on what's scarce: trust, creativity, and leverage. Here is what is not gonna work anymore. Anything generic, anything AI can mass produce. Churning out faceless content, doing low value tasks anyone can outsource for $5, or selling your time in a way that scales linearly. More hours, more dollars, but no leverage. If it feels like a race to the bottom, it is. Prices drop, competition rises, and the bots never get tired. So here's what will keep working. What wins is work that sits higher in the value chain. Think of it in three buckets: outcomes versus output. You don't just deliver stuff, you deliver results people actually care about. Systems over tasks. You are not the one pushing buttons. You are the one designing how the buttons get pushed. And 3, trust over speed. AI is fast, but people pay more for judgment, empathy, and confidence in the person they're working with. When you're positioned like this, you're not competing with bots, you're competing above them. So let's talk about some guardrails for 2026. Before you jump into anything, ask yourself 3 questions. Does this scale without me grinding hours for dollars? Does it rely on outcomes people deeply care about? Does it build trust and credibility over time? If the answer is no, it's probably a short-term play. If the answer is yes, that's where you build durable income. So here's the mindset shift. The mistake is that people chase what is hot right now. But in 2026, the hot trend is not where the wealth gets built. Wealth comes from stacking skills that compound, from turning one-off tasks into repeatable systems, from packaging what you know into assets, not just gigs. One-off work is survival, but leverage is freedom. So let's put this into practice. Here's how you can apply this today. Stop asking what hustle should I try, and start thinking what value can I provide that AI can't kill overnight. Look at your skills and find the parts that creates trust, judgment, or results. Package that in a way that doesn't depend on you working every single hour to get paid. So by Friday, your goal is not to start some shiny new thing. It's to take one skill you already have, reframe it into outcome, and test it with a real person. Alright, here's the big picture. Define your freedom number. Plug in work that passes the test. Outcomes, systems, trust. Build until you hit that baseline, then stack runway. And if you're not sure where to start, I built a free financial runway calculator. It shows you exactly how many months of freedom you already have. I will leave the link below so you can go run your numbers. Because escaping the grind isn't about guessing. It's about knowing your runway, building with leverage, and moving with intention. If you want more value, check out this video right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.